baby Jason. Are you at Grandpa's house? Yeah, I'm making a video of you. Hello, Grandpa boy. Ooh, what are you doing? Are you playing with a 5? Number 5. You okay, honey? Hi, Jason, Jason. Jason, where you going? Jason, are you excited? At Grandpa's house.